Okay guys, so this is what my living room looks like right now. It's a complete mess. You can see things from the kids here, cups, tablets, pillows on the floor. Coffee table is a hot mess. That's why you see sometimes I don't like to crowd my coffee table because we play games here. Now don't ask me how a measuring tape got there. So we just have some games that we played the other day and my daughter wanted to play more and she brought it. And everything is just a mess, right? You can see. So today I just want to transform this living room into a whole new space. So guys, if you would like to see what I'm gonna do to transform my living room into a whole new space, please stay tuned and keep on watching. As you can see, I'm starting by cleaning the coffee table. I'm just making sure that everywhere looks nice and clean on the surfaces before vacuuming. And I would also in a minute introduce a new product, which is a collaboration for this video. As earlier said, this video is a collaboration with our friends at ASAKUKI. They did well to send us their humidifier, which you know that it's a very important product for me right now, being a mom of 2 and expecting a 3rd baby. It is a good humidifier that produces warm and cool mist, which is also very quiet. It is an air humidifier and can also serve as a diffuser, which you can use by adding your essential oils in. It also comes with this guide, which also tells you exactly how to use it with a remote control in case you cannot reach your humidifier and want to control it from a distance. Contrary to other humidifiers, which are usually very small, like 2.4 liters, this is a 5-liter humidifier. It has a hybrid mist, and the others usually have either a very cold or too hot mist. And this has both cold and warm, like I earlier said. It is top filling, means you can fill it from the top, and it makes it very easy to fill. It has a detachable water tank and encourages no leaks. It has a large opening. This is definitely a perfect gift for this holiday season. If you've been thinking about something to gift someone, this is amazing. I really like it, and I hope you like it too, like I do. It is currently on sale on Amazon. Please run and grab it because I'm going to link it down below. I can't wait to actually give you guys more of my impression as I use it daily with my kids and my newborn baby. Let me use this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to my channel. Hello and welcome if you're new here. My name is Dede. I'm a wife, I'm a mom. I work full-time and I try to keep my home as clean as possible. I love decorating, and that is what I show you on this channel. And right now, being a mom of 2, I've tried and I'm trying to introduce cleaning and decorating with me, because cleaning is literally part of my life, especially being a mom of a 5-year-old and a 3-year-old. And as you can see, I'm expecting a 3rd baby. So yeah, if you're loving it so far, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a beautiful comment down below. Tell me something nice in the comment section. I would love to see it. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know without you I wouldn't be here. You've always been coming back for more. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you so much for being part of this family. Thank you all. I really do appreciate you. Thank you for your love and support. Please keep on watching. Tell me if you've cleaned your house detailedly this week, if you have enjoyed making your home, turning your house to a home? I would love to get your thoughts. Thank you guys so much. I love and appreciate you. Thank you. So a few days ago, I tried to put in my community section a poll to ask you all your opinions about what content you like to see on my channel, and surprisingly I got so many people just wanting to see home aesthetics, beautiful home, and then they like my living room. And that's why I actually decided to bring in this living room video, because I feel like you all are enjoying the living room videos the most, and so I wanted to, you know, just bring it for you guys to see and enjoy the view. But then I wanted to know, do you guys like me introducing cleaning on this channel? Because I don't want to introduce what you do not want. So you guys give me your thoughts, tell me what you think, because yeah, I want to engage you all. I want you guys to be involved and not just do what I want because I want to do it. So guys, I would like to get your opinion about that, and also tell me your thoughts about my living room, tell me your thoughts about this video, and if you've watched up to this point, I would appreciate it if you can comment living room down below. I would love to see it. Be your guiding light. So for those on other social media platforms, I wanted to get your opinions. Have you been seeing that curtain hack on TikTok and Instagram? You know, it's a very popular hack about inserting tissue paper inserts into your curtains just to make them look fluffier and well defined. I've been keeping tissue inserts for it. I don't know exactly how I feel about it, but I want to try it. You guys tell me what you think and get ready for the detailed tour of this living room. Was at the wrong place. So as you tour the space, I would like to get your thoughts on what is your favorite piece in my living room. What is your favorite item? It could be the rug, it could be the curtains, it could be the couch, it could be the pillow covers, it could be the wall art. Just give me your thoughts. It could just be the layout. Tell me what your favorite piece in this living room is. I would love to get your thoughts. Don't wanna be shy. Talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. Thank you all so much for watching up to this point. I really do appreciate you, and I would love to see you in our next video. Please turn on your notification bells and subscribe to this channel so you would always be notified every single time I upload videos like this.